Assalamualaikum dear viewers. I'll show you how to check water inlet bulb, washing machine water inlet bulb, step by step. First step, please check your water. Second step, please check your inlet bulb, there is dust or not. Just clean by hand or by toothbrush. Second step. Third step, please connect it here. We have to connect the AC connector, this AC bolt. There is no positive negative, so any here can connect. Then connect the plug. Then release the water. If you release, you should not see any water. Then turn on the switch. See, water very small, very small. So this is bad water in bulb. Let's check this water in bulb. Connect the AC line. There is no positive negative, so any here can connect. Then connect, plug in the cable, then release the water. Okay. Yeah. Then turn on the switch. Okay. This water is flowing good. It's lots of water is coming. So this water bulb is okay. This is not okay. This water is flowing. Lots of water is coming. Okay, thank you.